Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a custom website shortcut icon on home screen for TECNO Camon 18 Premiere. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Chrome. Here find the website that you want to add as your shortcut. Click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and scroll down. And here you should be able to find Add to Home Screen. And when you're finished with adding it, we can go to the home screen, and here it is. It should open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.